Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin now. Sign in with an administrator account and verify your user password. Encryption ties to that account. Once done, back up the folder and create a system restore point so you can recover if something goes wrong. Make sure the folder resides on an NTFS drive. Encrypting file system EFS requires NTFS. Now create or choose the folder you want to lock and close any open files inside it before proceeding to the next step. Right-click the folder, choose Properties and click Advanced, then check Encrypt Contents to secure data with EFS. This is how Windows locks folder access to your account. Click Apply and select Apply changes to this folder, subfolders, and files so everything is included. After encryption completes, export your encryption certificate, run Certinger. MSC, find your personal certificate, export with private key, and store that file on external media. Finish by testing. Sign out and try opening the folder from a different account. You should be blocked. If you need drive-level protection instead, enable BitLocker on the drive. For a passworded archive, create a 7-zip encrypted 7Z with AES 256. Make sure to keep the exported certificate safe. If you cannot open files, import that certificate on the recovery system. If you lose the private key and have no backup, Windows cannot decrypt EFS files, so prevention is the key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.